Hello guys, today's is our part I think part 7 tutorial of the ArcGIS Pro. Today's video we mainly focus on the how to create the elevation profile of the DEM file. So as we know that we are working in this area, so we firstly open the solution DEM file. So how to download a DEM file, as we previously note that you can go to the USGC, the website, and you can select your area like this and go to the dataset, go to the digital elevation, go to the SRTM and click this, and by clicking results you can choose your DEM file like this or this. So anyone which you are like the DEM file, and you can download this and download the DEM file from this area, and then now you can go into this area. So the DEM file will be cover this whole area, so you will be go to the geoprocessing tool, and this geoprocessing tool you can search the clip option. So by clicking option you can put the whole data and you can select your own area DEM file, so you will be clip your DEM file in this way. So now this DEM file you can change the color by like this one. You can invert it. This red one polygons, or the red one color shows the highest elevation, the blue one shows the lowest elevation above the sea level. So firstly, which we can do it, go to the analysis tool, and then we have this 3D analysis tool. So this 3D analysis tool, we have the elevation profile. By clicking on that, you can create it your own elevation data. So like clicking this, so you can change your elevation by seeing that how the kilometer, what will be the feet, will be the yard, or will be the miles, or what will be the meter above from the sea level. So you can create it the elevation profile. For example, if I created from highest elevation to the lowest elevation, like this will be the highest, and this will be the low. Just wait a minute. Lowest, highest, and go to the again lowest, and then go to highest, and the okay. So this is the our elevation profile, which you can see it from the highest elevation. From this point, as you can see, it will be visible on red area, it will be visible on this area. Go down, 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 and this will be again lowest, and this will be again highest elevation. You can also see that it is 3000 meter above the sea level, and you can also see the percentage. So you can do this elevation profile. You can also switch the elevation profile. For example, if which I can see in this profile that this elevation profile is highest from this one and lowest from this one, so you can change it by clicking this in reverse. So it means that this is the highest, lowest, it's a value type, and this highest again, and then the lowest profile. So you can change like this kind of changing the elevation profile. You can also change the color. For example, if I change the color black one, so you can see it, the elevation profile will be the black one. If I change into the white one, so it will be changing to the white one. So I think the dark blue color is good. And you can also change the color of a line. For example, you can change the color line is graph change. If you like the graph of blue color, so it will be change the blue color. If you go to the yellow color, so it will be change the yellow color. So I think red is more visible, so red color will be my color of the graph. And you also change the highlight color. For example, it will be look like blue, but if you are change the color into the yellow white, so it will be in the white, this line will be shows. So I think the this blue will be much better. So this how to create the elevation profile. You can create it from the ArcGIS Pro. And this is the one option which you create your own elevation. You can also create from layer. For example, if you have a data of layer, for example, I have a data of the, like if I check the road area, so you can see it. This is the our road, or this is the our valley. So you can also check the elevation profile of the valley. So if I uncheck it, if I go to the from the layer and choose the road, so it is not visible. Why they are not visible? Because we cannot select the which one road you can show your elevation, either this one, either this one, or this and this one. So we firstly go to the our attribute table. So whenever you just click your attribute table, like for example, I need this one uh, elevation profile, or I need this one. So as you can, but I think this road will be good for me. If I click 3 number, is 4 number, I think 5. Okay, so this 5 number will be created me the elevation profile by applying it. And if I cross it, so it will be created the elevation profile of this road or this valley along the gorge. You can also adjust like this, like this, like this, and also adjust your window. So this you can adjust to yourself. So you can do from the this layer, or you can also do from the, like if I cross it, you can also like this hide your profile and on your profile. So if I click this one, so I cross it, so I select, I will be on the road, and I will be select from this high elevation to lowest, lowest, and this high again, and this lowest, lowest. And I can shift my elevation, and I can adjust my elevation profile. Okay, and the color is okay, everything is okay. And if you go to the property statistic, you can also see the statistic means the elevation minimum height is 255. If you are just said that I not need it, so you can off from this side, it will be not visible to this. And the average height will be the 455 meter, maximum will be 725. If I uncheck, so it will be height, and if I check it, it will be again visible. So this is the different statistical data of this elevation profile. You can also export. For example, I export into the image feature geo database table in CSV table. So I need this image in CSV table. For example, I click download, save the image, and also I need the CSV file of this area. So go to the download, and also write up the CSV elevation table. So whenever you do it, you go to your download folder. You can see it, the image which I open it. So this will be the our image in which we show the elevation profile. And you can also open the CSV elevation data of your download folder. So this will give the different ID number, and this you will be the distance, and this will be the elevation. So you can use this data in your own perspective in which thing you are working on it. So this will be also export to the from the CSV file, and you can also use into Google Earth data, which can be later on we can also be how to move this data into the Google Earth. So in this video we now finish our work how to create a elevation profile. So hope you will be find some new thing, and we hope in the next video we will do some another work in the ArcGIS Pro.